Okay, hi, Selah Grace.
Hi.
What are we doing today?
We're going to do the video thing.
We're going to be opening up Disney Dorables. We have 4 packs, and in this video,
so excited.
we're going to open up 2 of them. Are you excited, Selah?
Uh-huh.
All right, well then why don't we get started, Mommy? Why don't you grab one of those boxes?
Okay, Selah, which one do you want to start with?
It's your turn.
You want to start on the left or the right?
I want you to do with this one.
Oh, on the left.
All right,
okay.
so we'll start with that box.
Excuse me. Okay, Selah. Open the door.
Oh, it looks like we got 5 doors on this one.
Okay,
Which one do you want to open first?
No, you did. These are your pouch.
Okay. Well, I'm going to open one, and then I'm going to have you open one.
No, I don't want to do these ones. Because I don't want to mess up yours.
All right,
Okay.
looks like we got Mommy's first one. Selah Grace, before we start, what do you think it's going to be?
I think it's going to be,
My goodness.
the...
I think it's going to be Pascal.
You think it's Pascal?
I think it's going to be Daisy.
You think it's going to be Daisy? All right, well then let's find out what Mommy's first one's going to be.
Let's open it up. You want to pull it out for me?
Yes.
All right,
pull it
here we
out.
go.
This one.
We got Ham.
Ham from Toy Story.
Look at that. Oh, that is so adorable.
Okay, you pick a door.
All right, which door
Because
next?
we're sharing.
You going to do that door?
You want to do that? Okay, here.
This.
Pop it open. Here, pop it open.
All right, get it out of there.
I'm trying. I don't care either.
All right, there's our pack.
You want me to open it?
Mommy will cut it open.
You let me have it. Tell me.
All right,
What is
go
it?
for it.
Minnie Mouse.
Oh,
Minnie Mouse.
I like that one.
Oh yeah, here, hold it up to the camera.
Look at the bow. I
That's
like
a
that
cute
one.
one.
That one's so cute.
All right, what door next?
Can I pick one?
Yes,
Oh,
keep doing it.
Yeah, I want to do that one. Okay, you can go and pick out a door too next.
Oh, Daddy's excited for that door. That door looks like it's the best.
Oh.
All right, pull that one out. Who did we get? Is that
It's Lucifer.
Cinderella's kitty? Nice, Cinderella's kitty cat.
Oh, you want me to open it? Okay. Is there one more left in this pack?
Yep, we got one more door after this.
Is
you
it going to be?
Who is it going to be? It is... Oh, we got Maleficent. Whoa.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
I
Feeling.
like blue.
And last
Oh, do
one.
you?
You know, I like how this one.
I got a peek at this one. I'm so excited.
Open it up,
I wanted
Grace.
you to get
Oh,
this one.
who is it?
Oh,
Pascal.
Pascal.
All right, nice. Okay, so that's box number 1.
Okay, put
Let's
them all
bring
together.
these guys over here. All right, Grace, what box are we going to do next?
Okay, so it's going to do this one.
All right,
Oh,
we're going to
okay.
do one more box in this video.
Can you
Let's see
open
what
it?
else we get. You need help?
Do you need help? Oh, let's see.
Let Mommy start it, and then you can open the rest. Oh, no, you got it.
I got it.
Let's see how many doors we get.
let's
How
have
many
it.
doors? Whoa, 6 doors this
6.
time.
I'm going to do
Oh,
this.
yeah, leave the doors over here.
All right.
First one for Selah and third one.
Oh, you
Oh my
opened that
goodness.
door up.
You're excited. You let me rip it. Or scissor it. Here, let's do it like this.
Can I open it?
Oh no, you're opening it. I'm just scissoring it.
Who'd we get? Who'd we get? Oh, Princess Rapunzel.
Oh, look at that. I want to do this door.
Wow.
Okay.
So,
That's-
they have the brownish hair and a beautiful crown. So
Oh, and I like her crown. The crown's really pretty.
Nice. Princess Rapunzel.
Okay,
That's a
that's
good one.
Here we go.
All right, next, Mommy's opening up one.
Oh, Selah, you gonna pull it out for me?
Yes.
All right,
Who
let's
is
see.
it?
Who is that? Oh, is it
Maui.
Maui?
Was that Maui?
It's Maui.
Oh, you put him up there.
Oh,
Look at his
What's he
big
holding?
feet.
Is he holding his hook? It looks like it.
that's.
Oh,
Yes,
I think it's hair.
I don't think his feet's big enough for his hair. Now, which
You
one
got
do
it.
you
Oh.
want?
All right. What door next, Selah?
Which one do you want to do? Good job on getting him to stand up. You want to do that one?
I know it.
Okay.
All right. Here we go.
Here you go. And I'll go ahead and peel this one because this is the one I want to do.
Who's it?
Ooh.
Oh, it's one of the sisters.
Do you
Which
know
one's
which
that,
one?
Mommy?
It's Anastasia.
Anastasia. So we got Cinderella's cat and Cinderella's sister. Yeah, they go together.
I hope we get the whole separate now.
You hope you get the whole set? Well, let's see what's
The
on
whole
that goes.
Cinderella set. Who is in there?
Cinderella, Anastasia, Drizella, Lucifer, and Prince Charming.
I hope we get Elsa.
Elsa. That would be a good one. Who is it?
Oh, he's fuzzy.
Oh, that's a
Bambi.
super rare one.
Yeah,
Or
it
that's a
is.
special edition.
Yeah, that's a special edition,
Yeah.
honey. It's fuzzy.
Let's see that. Let me hand that one to Daddy. Let's show him to the camera. Let me see. Look
Wow.
at that.
Oh, I
yeah.
love the
I
eyes.
know where to help
It's
you.
these two.
Oh, look, he's soft. He's got the golden eyes.
This one you peel.
Oh, back to our doors.
Yep, good job.
You don't know.
Okay, now pull this one out.
Oh, that's what's going to be mine.
Okay. Okay. That's right.
And Mommy's gonna open it up.
Whoa, it's a ball one.
Yep. Here. You
All right.
pull it out for me. I'm gonna get this one clipped.
See who we got.
Oh, it's Figaro. It's
He
Minnie
goes with
Kitty.
Minnie. Oh, you got another part of a set. That's so
Oh.
cute.
This one's really cool too.
Who'd we get? Who is it? I can't tell. We got Jessie.
Jessie. Oh.
She goes with Ham.
Oh. Okay, Selah.
All right, Grace. Was that all of them?
Yes, we're gonna pick our.
That was all of
favorite.
them. Now let's pick our favorites.
Oh, it's not this.
We're gonna open those two in the next video.
Okay.
But first, let's pick our very favorites out of these two boxes. I think my favorite is probably Figaro. He is just adorable.
I think I really like Celeste if I need to know about
Princess Rapunzel.
Oh, I like Rapunzel.
yeah.
Okay, I really wanted Pascal, and so I really like Pascal, but I really like Fuzzy Bambi. He's just so
Oh,
cute.
look at Fuzzy Bambi.
Oh.
Here's all of them. Good job.
Good job, Selah. I'm
All right.
excited.
Say bye-bye, Selah Grace.
Bye.